Today, we're diving into how modern apps handle massive map files without crashing your browser.
We've all been there, right? Staring at a blank screen, just waiting for a map to finally load.
Well, the problem is often these enormous geospatial image files. They're just way too big to download efficiently.
But there's a much smarter way. Instead of downloading the whole file, we can stream just the parts we need.
And this is done using a powerful server-client combo that totally changes the game for data visualization.
Here's how they split the work. GeoServer manages the data, and Leaflet displays it. Simple as that.
So let's see how this builds into a seamless flow, from a user logging in to seeing the map.
This whole process ensures that only the necessary data is ever actually sent over the network. Super efficient.
The app doesn't ask for the file itself, it asks a special URL for a specific map view.
And that's where WMS comes in. It's an open standard, which makes this whole setup incredibly flexible.
It only gets the small, manageable pieces it needs for what you're seeing, making the experience crazy fast.
So how many of those multi-gigabyte files does your browser download? Yep, a big fat 0.
This whole streaming approach has some game-changing benefits over the old way of doing things. You get speed, scalability, security, and simplicity. It's a massive win all around.
But beyond just performance, how this architecture protects the data, well, that's what makes it enterprise-ready.
This is key. All security checks happen on the server before any data gets sent out. So even if a user tries to modify a request, they just can't access imagery they aren't allowed to.
This completely changes how we interact with massive data. So the big takeaway is this: what's next?